Guys, it's day 2 and today we're gonna be swimming at the beach with my mom and my dad. Here's my dad at the bathroom and here's my mom. So yeah, after that maybe we're gonna have lunch. IDK. But yeah, so just reminding you guys. And it's day 2. See you later. Hey guys, I'm back and it's like 10:34 p.m. because my mom and my dad went into IDK and it began to rain and we went to our dorms. So I got a new hairstyle. It's like I think it's like what you call that? But I like the fact that there's colors, like there's like red, blue, purple, pink, blue, pink, purple, pink, blue, purple, pink, blue. Yeah. And the colors are from the yarn. So I picked blue and purple, but she added pink so that the color will pop. So yeah. So this is the shortest one. Especially we went to the beach first. Woke up, have some breakfast, went to the beach, have some lunch. Have some lunch, take a nap, short nap, and have some dinner, go to the fire dance, which I gotta show you this, guys. These are like from the fire dance, but they're most like safe to children like me. Look, I can do a trick. This is super long, so I don't want to do it here. And my left doesn't work. Yeah. So yeah, I got these, and then I got a whole bunch of these ones. They're wallets. And I got some dream catchers as well. Like 2 reds and 1 purple. Yep. And then the other one is this. A whole bunch of, and I'm gonna spray some of the 3 persons that I'm gonna give these ones, 2 pink and 1 purple, and this is mine. And then these 2 are for two most very special persons that are very close to me because they are my family. And this one is for the very, very special one. This is for my mom. And she's right there. Say hi. Yeah, so this is for her to catch all of her bad news. I'm just kidding. So yeah, I got those. I guess there's some more. Wait. No. So yeah, that's all I bought for. That's what we call to bring back something good. That's what we call it in here at the Philippines, pasalubong. So yeah, I bought also a shirt for my two nephews. And yeah, so this is day 2. And tomorrow, let me see, it's 10:39 p.m. at Boracay. So tomorrow is the very long day at the bus again. So I'm just gonna wait for 6 hours, 7 hours, or 8 hours or more, or 5 hours or less than that, because I'm gonna leave for that day. So yeah, that's all for day 2 now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to Annie's World, and make sure you hit the subscribe button here, please, and make sure you hit the bell button so you can see all the new videos of mine. And make sure you search Friendship of Magic, and that is my second channel, and Angel Toys or Angel TDM's second channel. It's Friendship of Magic, one with the headphones and the music notes. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's like over there at the camera, and hit the bell button so you can see all the new videos of our second channel. And make sure you like our second channel. So yeah, make sure you like this video. See you at day 3, guys. Bye.